Hi, this is Bill with myunipost.com.
And this is Bill Sr. So what today we're working on is a Unipost that we're going to use for a brace section for barbed wire fences and animal protection meshes, but in the agricultural business. So this is a quick way to do it. Instead of digging holes and setting wood posts or metal poles or all that thing, we're going to show you how in 10 minutes you've got a strong brace for your barbed wire. All right, we've got our first post pounded in, and we're going to be building a 4-wire barbed wire fence off this brace. And so we pounded that around 4 feet tall. So to make our brace, our H, we'll use another Unipost on the ground, and it'll be, so that'll be our separator, and it will tell us exactly how far apart these two posts have to be. So we've got it all set, we've got our line established, so now we can pound this post in and be ready to build our H from there. Okay. Okay, we've got our posts driven, and they're exactly the length we need for our brace. And generally, a brace would be about 9 inches down from the top. And since the holes are one inch apart, all we gotta do is count down about 9. And we'll let Junior here put a screw right in. And these are just self-drilling screws. And you can line up a pair of holes so it works real good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is right about there. So we line up 2 holes. Now they're sitting inside there. Let's get a couple more screws in them.
These are just coated self-tapping screws you can get from any hardware store. 1 inch.
All right, and we've got our H established, and the intended fence will go this way. So we will put a wire brace at the angle in the direction we need it. Okay, so we'll get Junior here to finish wrapping the cable. But this is just barbless barbed wire, often used to make braces with wood posts. But with all the holes in the Unipost, you can choose wherever you want, and the wire fits through there. So we're able to go through the holes here, pick the holes we want near the ground there, and pull that tension. And now we've got a wire, we just take it in the old pipe, and we can just take the slack out of the middle, 5 or 6 turns. And we'll have it. So some of your specs are going to require a double cable in 2 directions, which is easy to do too. You can pull one the other way. But this will be in the direction of the pull that we want. So once we've got that nice and snugged up, we'll be able to grab our first wire, attach it to our end, and roll it out. Yep. So let's grab one real quick, and we'll show you how that goes. We'll let Junior hook our first one on. And whatever machine you have to roll out barbed wire, sometimes it's on the back of the truck. But lots of holes that you can make a double wrap on the end. Get a good cinch on it. Hook it up to your truck, and away you go.
And if you need to set for height, usually I'll take some scraps, put it in a hole to set height. Usually I only have to do this when it's on a hill and your wires try to slide down. I'll just put a wire in the hole below it, tie it around a couple times. That's it. Cut off the slack. That'll keep it from moving.
Got one of these on the other. We go down there, put our come along or a goldenrod puller on it, and we're off and running. All right. We had our brace all built. Now we can add the 4 wires, and you can see that's as simple as it gets. So you can run this approximately 800 feet post to post, and it'll be the strength you need to go up and down hills and negotiate everything you might come to in a barbed wire fence. So we've got our completed fence going in one direction, but we could have had a corner or possible. So if you put this flange in the right side, then you can add the corner post right on here, take your Tech screws, self-drillers, and they'll go right in here. And you can set your other post over here, and you've got a brace to make a 90. If you need to make 45s or other things, we'll go right in here again, but we'll have to take a little notch off of here to fit the angle of what we require. But it's as simple as that.